Okay, now let's understand the prerequisites. Firstly, you have to install the VMware software in order to run the Kali Linux. So firstly you have to install the VMware, then on the top of that you have to install the Kali Linux. I will provide the link in the description box, so follow this link. You can install the VirtualBox as well as the Linux. Okay, now let's understand what is MITM attack, man in the middle attack. When an attacker position themselves between the two devices that are communicating, like your phone and a website, instead of data going through directly, the attacker intercept it, can read it or modify it and pass it along so neither side knows. So in this video I will demonstrate how that look in the control lab. Let's begin. So this is my Kali machine running on VirtualBox. I have installed this on VirtualBox, and this is my Windows machine. This is also installed on VirtualBox. So there is no need to install Windows machine to perform this attack. You can attack this on any device that is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Here I am going to perform the MITM attack between the Windows machine and the router. So every data that is transmitted over the network is visible in my Kali machine. So we are able to capture all the data that is being transferred. We can able to see the password, we can able to see the links that is user navigating in the Windows machine. So everything that user performing on the web browser is visible in our Kali machine. Okay, now let's begin. So for MITM attack we are going to use BetterCap. So BetterCap basically allow us to spoof the Windows machine and the router. So we are going to use BetterCap iFace, which is an interface, and ETS0, this is our network manager. So if we split the terminal and if I do ifconfig, so we can able to see the network manager, which is ETS0. And now if we exit from it and if we hit enter, okay, now it is ETS0, not ETSO. Now we have started the BetterCap. Now we can perform the MITM attack. net.prop.on, basically it's a command that is going to discover all the connected device to our Wi-Fi. So if we hit enter and if we run the command net.show, so basically it will list all the devices that is connected to our Wi-Fi. So this is our Windows MAC address and the IP. So we are going to use that IP to poison the ARP table and become the man in the middle. And this command set arp.spoof.fullduplex true means we are going to poison the ARP table of the Windows machine and the router machine. So that means Windows know that I am the router and the router know that I am the window, but that is not that case. So we become in the middle of the connection, so every data is flowing through the Kali machine. And this command say set arp.spoof.targets, so it is set arp.spoof.targets, and let me copy this IP, which is our Windows IP, and paste it and hit enter. So basically, and now we are in the middle of the connection. Only thing we have to do, we have to on spoof module arp.spoof.on and open the sniff module net.sniff.on. basically this will log all the requests and the response in our console. Now if we navigate back to the Windows machine and open the Edge browser, and if we navigate back to the Kali machine, we can see we have captured all the requests what we have done in the Windows. And if we open some websites such as OneWeb and navigate back to the Kali machine, we can see everything what we have done in the Windows machine. We can capture everything. If we open the first link and try to log in, we can take username as a my user and the password is my user 1900 @ and if we hit on login and if we navigate back to the Kali machine, we can see we have captured the username and a password. So using this MITM attack, you can capture everything what Windows machine have done, but this only work for HTTPS. In the next video I will continue this video and I will tell you how you can exploit the HTTPS as well.